Hey everyone, welcome back. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix Draw.io not opening issues in 2026. So if Draw.io won't launch, gets stuck on loading, or shows a blank screen, this guide will help you fix it step by step. First, check your internet connection if you're using the web version. A slow or unstable connection can prevent Draw.io from loading properly. Next, refresh the page and try opening the application again. Temporary browser issues can sometimes cause loading problems. Now clear your browser cache and cookies. Corrupted browser data can stop Draw.io from opening correctly. Next, try opening Draw.io in an incognito window or a different browser. This helps determine whether the issue is browser-related. Now disable browser extensions temporarily. Some extensions can interfere with website scripts and prevent the app from loading. Next, if you're using the desktop version, restart the application and run it as administrator. Now check for updates. An outdated version may have compatibility issues that prevent it from opening properly. Next, restart your computer to clear temporary system problems and background conflicts. Now make sure your firewall or antivirus is not blocking Draw.io. Security software can sometimes prevent applications from launching. Finally, if the issue continues, reinstall Draw.io and try opening it again with a fresh installation. And that's it. You've successfully fixed Draw.io not opening issues. Now the application should launch and work normally again. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials like this.